Let's take a look at what happened with Tesla today. So we closed at 241.37, down 18 cents. Post-market, we're down by 57 cents. So let's take a look at what we have here on the chart. And let's look at the facts, and then let's see how we can profit from those facts. So again, we are still into this downward channel, a smaller one within the bigger one that started in December. Let's go right away on the 1-hour chart. So on the 1-hour chart for Tesla, we had the support line right here. We had the support line that we broke yesterday, and then we caved in and pulled back, and now we are still sitting on 238. If we start breaking 238, we should be able to reach down to 217.65. If we start breaking higher than 260.39, then this is going to be a buy signal. So right now we are waiting for this. We are having an accumulation right on the support without stochastic. This is not looking good. If we break 238, then we are going to be gone. We have a resistance right here. Within 3, 4, 5 hours, we should see what is going to happen. If we cave in here, then this is going to be a really nice short. So we are waiting for this, and this might happen right smack on April 22nd, which is on the earnings call. So, this could be a really nice short to make some money on Tesla. Tesla going down. We can make money on stocks going down. Isn't it fantastic? So we are waiting for this. Let's take a look at the rest of the market, how it fared today. So VIX going lower. So we are below 30. If we take a look at our downward channel, this is the downward channel that we are following. So we are going down as a whole. Yesterday, we started to go higher, climbing quite close to 35. So if it had gone higher, then the market would have plunged. But now today, we came back down. We settled on another support, and we have a little bit of weakening. Things are improving. So the overall market is improving. I'm still giving it a chance to bounce on 28. Possible that we bounce on 28. This is basically the congestion zone that we are starting to see. So 35 is the resistance and 28 is the support. So between the two, we have noise, not much movement in the stock market. If we go higher, the stock market is going to tank. If we go lower, the stock market is going to go higher. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones, we had seen this weakening, and then boom, we are starting to cave in. SPX, let's take a look at the 1-hour chart. This was very interesting because this is what's happening with Tesla right now. Here, we had some accumulation on 53.91, and then we had a weakening without stochastic over 60. This was a shorting period. Yesterday, some people took it. Boom, we came down. Now we are pulling back up, but pulling back up without stochastic. So we should not believe that pull back up. And look at this. So it seems like we are going to be right again because we were right here. This move down indicated that this support was gone. So this was the sell signal in itself. It pulled back a little bit, continued. Now we are having a bigger pullback. And if we look at the last hour, seems like we are really going to cave in. So if we break 52.69, then we are going to have a nice move down. So, this is another potential shorting possibility that could happen. This is not financial advice. You do your own research. You make your own decisions. Nasdaq, exactly the same pattern. Russell, this one is looking a little bit better. We have a green candle today, and we are maintaining ourselves this week at least compared to SPX and the others, which came higher and now are going lower. Let's take a look at the heat map of the market. Yeah, a little bit more green than red. And today we got the building permits forecast was 1.4. We are at 1.48. The economy is doing better from that perspective. And then we have this other number. Housing starts lower than expected. Let's take a look at some Tesla news we are getting from our Discord server. We have here Tesla reportedly pulling workers off Cybertruck factory lines and dropping production targets for the model amid plummeting sales. And Tesla faces steep Q2 challenge as analyst warns of major shortfall. Yeah, this is Q2, but Q1, we still have to see what's happening in Q1. And this is going to be next Tuesday. And there's this news here. Lawsuit claims Tesla deliberately inflated odometer readings in its cars. So supposedly Tesla would be increasing the odometer faster for cars that are getting repairs so that the car get out of warranty faster. This is a big claim. This is going to be interesting to see how this goes in court. And tomorrow is Good Friday. So happy Easter. We are not going to do a video tomorrow. We are going to do one on Monday. But we are also going to do our Tesla Weekly Live for the community members and also the Buy Alert members on Sunday. So have a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.